to look at two different websites, and then we've looked at what are some methods that we use to evaluate these websites. How do we know which one is more reliable, more informative than the other one might be? So if we look at the first website, the World Wildlife Federation. So we're looking at this website and we see up here, it's worldwildlife.org. So the website extension is a .org. So that means that an organization set up this website. Okay. The other one, the Save the Pacific Northwest Tree Octopus, is a .net. So it's not necessarily an organization that put this one together. Pretty much anybody can get a .net extension. So if we're thinking about which one is more reliable, the .org or the .net, they're both in kind of that gray area that you're not sure which one might be more reliable. Remember the .gov and the .edu, those are the ones you can always really, really trust. So we have to think a little bit more about this one. I know that anybody could get a .net extension, and I know that only an organization can get a .org extension. So I might be thinking that